Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. My name is Shraddha Gupta and today we are going to do a chapter number 19 from your EVS book. So what is the name of the chapter? The chapter name is Force, Work and Energy. So let's read the chapter. We use force to push or pull things. An object always moves in a direction to force applied. To stop moving object, force is applied in the opposite direction. Means if we want to push something at this direction, you have to put force on it. Force is also used to change the direction of a moving object. For example, to push a desk forward, we need force. When a force is applied on soft things, their shape changes. Means if we applied force on a clay, means children's play, means the babies children are play with those clay. So in this case, when we put pressure to it, it changes its shape. Types of forces. The two types of forces are frictional and gravity. Friction is a force which stops moving things. When you roll a ball on the ground, it is the force of friction that stops it. Gravitational force is a force that pulls everything towards the earth. When you throw a ball up towards the sky, it falls to the ground. Means when we push a ball to the up in the sky, it becomes come to your hand again. Why? Because of the gravity. What is work? Work is simply the application of a force over a distance. Work is equal to the product of force and distance through which it produces movement. Means work is equal to product of force and distance. Lifting a weight from a ground and putting it on the shelf is a good example of work. Means if I am lifting something from the ground and put it on this table, then this is known as a work. The force is equal to the weight of the object and distance is equal to the height of the shelf. So force is weight of the object and the distance is equal to the height of the shelf. Work is the energy that has been used. When you use energy. What is energy? Energy is measures of how much work we can do. Which would need the most energy? Take the correct answer. Walking, riding a bicycle uphill, doing your homework, is giving a rope. So by riding a bicycle uphill, not downhill, it's uphill. Why? Because the gravity is very against you. Most of energy comes from the sun. We call it solar energy. Green plants tap this energy to make food. We eat this food and use the energy to stay active. Solar energy is a source of heat and light energy. Types of energy. Heat energy. The sun is the most important source of heat energy. Electricity and fuels also produce heat energy. What do you mean by heat energy? Energy that provides us heat, means we feel heat, hotness, that is known as heat energy. The sun is a natural source of heat energy. Electrical energy. Electrical gadgets such as lights, fans, microwaves, air conditioner work with the help of this electricity. So electrical energy means like electricity. So all the appliances work on the electrical energy. Chemical energy. The energy is obtained by burning coal or oil. When we burn coal or oil, what we provide? We get chemical energy. Mechanical energy. This energy is produced by moving objects such as flowing water or windmill. So while rotating windmill is this type fan that is very big and put it on the open ground, so that when you start rotating, then the batteries are filled and that energy, wind energy, is changing into electrical energy. Next is magnetic energy. A magnet has energy in it, that's why it attracts iron objects towards it, and this energy is called magnetic energy. Magnetic means like a magnet. When the magnet is put, all the iron elements attract to it, and this energy is known as magnetic energy. Atomic energy. All matter is made up of atoms. Atomic energy comes from the splitting of an atom. Atomic energy can be used to produce electricity. Atomic is a very large amount of electricity present at one time. That's why it's very harmful and disastrous for our human being. That's why this energy is not still used, but atomic energy is one of a type. So this much is in your chapter. Bye bye. Take care. Meet you soon in my next video.